Hey guys, what's up? This is Rich from Gamers, aka also High Tech Brothers. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a web page using a simple technique. This is the basics, and this is High Tech Brothers. Let's get into the video. So, guys, what you wanna do first is obviously open up Notepad because web page is made up of notepads. That's pretty obvious. So you can click notepad from here, but if you want you can also type it in notepad. I'm on caps lock. You can type it notepad and then you can just click wherever. You can click here, anywhere. Just open it. You'll get a window like this window. Here you can write all of the commands that you want, because when you write in this, it's gonna directly load up in the web page. So for starters, what you need to do at the first step is to put in the command HTML. I'm writing it in caps lock. You can also write it in caps lock. It's your wish. If you want, you could write it in non-caps lock. It's literally your wish. So start it off with HTML, and then the first command that we're going to learn is title. Title is written as TITLE, as you know the spelling. And one more thing, whatever commands are there, they all start with a greater than symbol. The greater than symbol tells which one is a command and which one is like a normal text. So to start off any command, put in the greater than symbol and then write in the command. Like for title, the title command is just title, the easiest command that I think for me it's the easiest command. Just type in the title and then close it. You need to open it with a greater than symbol, open it with a greater than symbol, and then after that close it with a greater than symbol, like that. And then whatever you want to be the title, you can write it in there. I'm gonna write High Tech Brothers. And then to close any command, you just need to do the same command, but you need to put a slash at the starting over here. Slash. This I kept a slash. It's the same thing, but I kept a slash over here. Got it? Okay, now next command is to so the next thing, after you wrote anything in the notepad, click on file. When you click on file, it's gonna open up a small window. Just click on save as. When you click on save as, it's gonna open up one more window. It's called downloads, and in downloads you can save it as anything you want. Put any name. I'm gonna put subscribe. I'm gonna put subscribe, and then when you put any name you want, put a dot and then write HTML. When you write HTML, it's gonna save like in a web page, and then when it saves in a web page, it's gonna open up as a web page. So when you type in HTML, go ahead and click on save. So as you can see, it is saved, and the title, look, we kept the title High Tech Brothers, and now look at this, there is also a title above here because we kept the title High Tech Brothers. So after you have done this, be sure to make sure where you kept your file. I have kept my file in documents, so I'm just gonna go to documents over here, and then all of my files are here. I'm just gonna click on the file I made. My file is High Tech Brothers. So here, I found my file. It's named subscribe. Double click on it. It's gonna open up your default web browser. It's gonna open up, and then when it's gonna open up, it's gonna be a blank page because till now we haven't wrote anything. We just showed the title, and as you can see, the title here is High Tech Brothers. Over here, can you see it? Yes, the title is High Tech Brothers. So next step, write heading. Heading is one of the most easiest commands. Just do the greater than symbol and then write in head, and then write in whatever title or heading you want. I'm gonna type High Tech Brothers. When you type High Tech Brothers, close it with the head. Same thing that I did. Just do HTML and then close it, and then remember to put a slash. Boom. And then when you're done here, as you can see, the title is little bit changed. You can see
my veins years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la.
Correct of all the commands that you put in, like head, body, title, everything. The command should be the same spelling, otherwise it's gonna ruin everything. So now you can just do Control S.